Hi guys, I am Dino. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video series, I'll cover up 6 forex pairs. First one is US dollar versus Japanese yen, Euro versus US dollar. The third one is Great Britain pound versus US dollar. Fourth one was US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Fifth one, Australian dollar versus US dollar. And the last one is XAU USD. It means gold versus US dollar. So in this video, I will give up full details regarding to US dollar versus Japanese yen. So let's move. So here I am using US dollar versus Japanese yen chart. So as you can see, I am using 1 minute. So you can choose 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you like when you're trading. And also I am using 3 indicators: EMA 200, HMA 26, EMA 34. I will tell all those details in later part of my video. So and also I am using Fibonacci tools. So first of all, if you are new to trading view, it normally appears normal candlesticks. It means Japanese candlesticks as this way. Okay, just wait to load. So you can see. So for this video, see, for this video only, I have to remove all those things. So cut. So as you can see this chart, okay, I remove all those things for you to explain. I remove all these indicators. Yeah. So here no indicators, that's only charts. So before going to scalping 1 minute, you have to understand what's going on the trend, which means it's uptrend or downtrend. So in this, for that you have to look for a long time frame. It means it's very good if you can understand chart patterns from 1 day charts. So let's move to 1 day charts first. So as you can see, so here these type of things, you can see these lines in this area, it is called support one, and this one it is called resistance. It's maybe your support. So first of all we have to understand what's the trend is. So before so here these candlesticks are Japanese candlesticks. So I am familiar to Heikin Ashi, so I will use Heikin Ashi. So you can choose Heikin Ashi from this indicate candle sections. Go to like this Heikin Ashi. So it's clear than rather than the Japanese candlesticks. So to understand the trend and the trading pattern, we have to indicate some indicators, but obviously I have to tell that it's depend on the person to person. So here I'm going to use 3 indicators: exponential, moving average, 200. So it's easy to understand the trend, that's why I'm using. So as you can see from this one, it's going to be uptrend. So there's a little downtrend, so we can't tell exactly it's a downtrend. Sometimes it will be a pullback and again upwards. So we have to wait patiently until this section. So to that I will add another indicator: exponential moving average 34. So it indicate the, just wait a minute, yeah, it indicate the support, resistance, and also the trend line. Okay, so here you can see it passes this one, so it means clear uptrend. So if you are want to take long position, it's a good opportunity, but don't take position from here. So okay, here's a good opportunity trading. Don't trade like this and this way. So it's, you have to pass, if you want to take position, you have to pass this yellow line, yellow cross against gold one, orange one, and again this way it will down. So again we have to wait. And also I'm going to use HMA 26, this one. Yes, so as I'm going to do scalping, I'm not talking much about this 1 day time frame and other time frames. So let's go to 1 minute time frame. So before that we have to understand what's going on the trend. So if we use Fibonacci for that, okay, Fib retracement. So as you can see, it's 150 151. It's a good support one. So this is a clearly a downtrend because it passes the yellow one, gold one. So I'm using rectangles for the support resistance lines. Wait. Yeah. So that's why I use this. Okay, you will understand in the later part of this video. So here so if it's 1 day, it's a downtrend. So this is a support one. It's again maybe come to this level and again come to this one. So it's a support one. So I will mark it as red. Okay, and this is green. It's okay. So it's done. So let's move to one chart. So we'll get the trend in like it's a downtrend. So we'll 1 hour. Yes. Okay. So we have to wait and see what's the 1 hour. 1 hour also a downtrend it indicates. So here we have to indicate just to remind this line. So it's one and this one. So in the 1 hour time frame it indicates like this 149 200. This is 146 800. The trading, actually the candles are trading inside this one, 149 200 and 146 800. So we can get a clear idea about this. After if it moves, we can say it can come to these levels, and also if it crosses this one, we can assume it can come to these levels. So we can't clearly say, as I'm going to want to tell that if you want to see the correct trend, you have to see the long time frame. It means 1 day. Okay, it's 1 hour. So let's move to 1 minute one. Okay, as you can see, this is a very good support one. Okay, resistance one. It will, if it breaks, it will come to these lines. So here I'm going to use Fibonacci retracements. It means this one, Fib retracements. So as in the previous slide I talk about downtrend. So first, so my 0 should be come this way. 0 this way, and the 1, it means this one. So it's a downtrend. So here there's a support. Yes, this is the support line. Yes, you can see that. Okay, So here you have to look very carefully this white line 0 1 2. If this white line breaks, it clearly indicates a downtrend in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, let's move. So here you can take long positions, okay, because both the yellow line and the gold one are, sorry, both the white line and yellow line are above the gold one. So if it passes this yellow line, the white line, again you can trade that. And also you can use these support lines also, so it's easy to use. So like that. So let's move to this live trade. So actually my advice is don't trade this one, okay. You have to wait to pass this one. If it pass 148,800, you can take whatever you like to decide. Just wait and see, because it's clearly a downtrend. So if you want to open a downtrend, you have to wait until this one. If it pass, it's okay, you can take a position. You have to wait. If you like, you can take a stop loss from here 149, get stop loss, and you can take your profit in the long time. If you want 1 minute, apart from that, you can come to this ones 1.47. so it's better to here the take profit like that. So that's all. Thank you for the watching this video. So let's up this one.